90s, it suddenly became such a huge phenomena, and it just kept on gaining volumes, gaining market share, and bringing in more and more customers.
People wouldn't just talk about having a bike, they would talk about having a Splendor.
It takes more than 40,000 parts to make a single Splendor. With more than 800,000 Splendors made every year in the factories, it takes a great deal of logistics, planning, and precision to make a single bike. The birth of every hero bike starts at the delivery area. This is where more than 2,000 trucks come into the factory with precious cargo from ancillary factories across India. Everything from handlebars to a small tail light are unloaded with the shortest amount of time.
We have almost 2 hours of inventory in the plant, and within 2 hours the parts need to be replenished from the vendors.
गाड़ी नंबर 4927 हम अपने गाड़ी 12 नंबर पे लगाए.
It may look chaotic on the ground, but the traffic marshals are keeping a close eye. Their job is to synchronize the traffic and make sure all the parts of the factory come right on time.
अगर एक पार्ट भी हमारा नहीं आता है तो उसके लिए हमारा कन्वेयर रुक जाएगा और उससे हमारा प्रोडक्शन लॉस हो जाता है.
More than 6 million parts are unloaded every day into the factory, but there is no space to store them. The factory has a small window of time to convert these parts into a finished product. This is known as just-in-time production.
This whole thing is all just in time. We don't carry more than 1 day stock in the warehouse. It's less than a day's stock. And all these materials which come to us are in less than an hour's inventory. If some part doesn't come in, even a simple bolt does not come in, you'll find that within next 1 hour, the plant will come to a standstill. People have to be on their toes from hour to hour, minute to minute.
With no time to lose, all the parts required to make a complete bike are loaded into a tray that feeds the factory on a conveyor belt. The Hero factory has more than 200 kilometers of conveyor belts. In perfect synchronization, they bring different parts to the right section of the factory floor. And at places where the conveyor belts don't go, the factory employs sophisticated automated vehicles. There are two vital parts missing in the conveyor tray: the engine and the fuel tank. The fuel tank starts its journey at the factory's press shop. More than 100 tons of high-grade aluminum go through giant pneumatic presses that forge the fuel tank. Aluminum is a durable and versatile metal that helps keep the bike light and strong. And strength is crucial for a fuel tank.
You see, what goes inside is petrol. Petrol is a very highly inflammable material, and any amount of leakage, little bit, can even explode the fuel tank.
To make sure there is no leakage, the fuel tank is welded by expert welders and robots to ensure a precision of 8 millimeters. Workers carefully check each and every fuel tank for leaks, and that is done the old school